At Vodafone UK, we're committed to achieving our net zero carbon emissions by 2027 across the entire UK operations. It is a hugely ambitious target, one we're committed to achieving and confident we will achieve. So how are we going to do this? We're going to replace the old legacy energy-hungry equipment with the very latest, most energy efficient modern equipment. This helps us reduce our carbon emissions. So here we are in one of our latest state-of-the-art technology centers. Think of this as the brain of the networks, connecting the millions of calls coming in from the masts and our fiber networks, connecting your data, your calls, and getting it in the right place at the right time. But they use a lot of energy, and since 2016, we've been replacing them with more modern and energy efficient equipment. So we've moved to a fresh air cooling system that is much more energy efficient than the mechanical cooling systems and is much more compatible to our net zero ambition. We're making the right changes and we're making them now.